Walnuts provide essential nutrients and have health advantages supported by science. Walnut totally renews the body by cleaning the veins quickly after consumption. The nutrient that regenerates cells also protects against a variety of diseases. These nuts are more antioxidant-rich than most other foods and are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming walnuts may enhance brain health and shield against cancer and heart disease. Walnuts are a great source of a number of vitamins and minerals. These include manganese, vitamin E, vitamin B6, phosphorus, copper, and folic acid. Among all food sources, walnuts are one of the highest in antioxidants. These include melatonin, catechin, ellagic acid, and ellagitannins. Here are some amazing advantages of this wonderful nut. 1. Good for the brain. Walnut has a beneficial impact on neural systems because it includes linoleic acid, alpha-linolenic acid, vitamin E, and vitamins B6. Some scientists believe that nutrients are helpful to the organ that mimics our organ, and walnuts resemble the brain in appearance. However, aside from being comparable to the brain, walnuts provide significant advantages for the brain. Numerous studies suggest that nut consumption may enhance brain function. Additionally, they demonstrate that walnuts can prevent sadness and age-related brain degeneration. Regular eating of walnuts was found to significantly improve memory in a study of elderly people. The high antioxidant content of walnuts is most likely to be responsible for these benefits, while their omega-3 fatty acids may also be important. 2. Walnuts may lower cancer risk. They include a lot of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have been shown to prevent cancer. Walnuts are particularly helpful for pancreatic, breast, and prostate cancer. By consuming healthy foods, exercising, and avoiding harmful lifestyle practices, you may minimize your chance of acquiring some forms of cancer. Because walnuts are high in beneficial plant components, they may be a useful part of a cancer prevention diet. Numerous bioactive substances in walnuts may have anti-cancer effects. 3. Walnuts can improve cardiovascular health and decrease cholesterol. Walnuts have also been demonstrated to reduce the kind of inflammation that contributes to heart disease, and they may help you lower your risk of developing a blood clot that might result in a heart attack. According to 2 significant studies, eating 5 servings of nuts each week can cut your risk of heart disease by as much as 50%. Numerous studies indicate that eating 4 to 5 walnuts daily may help lower LDL, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function, all of which minimize the risk of artery plaque accumulation. Both walnuts' high antioxidant content and their advantageous lipid composition are most likely responsible for these benefits. 4. Walnuts may support weight loss. Walnuts are a good source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full for a long time after you've eaten a bunch. They are high in protein and promote healthy weight loss. Even though they are high in energy, walnuts make an excellent snack choice for people trying to manage their weight because there is some evidence to suggest that eating them in place of other meals does not result in weight gain. The walnuts helped with appetite control and reduced sensations of hunger. According to the researchers, the effect of walnuts on satiety might be linked to adjustments in the central nervous system that modify food signals. A handful of walnuts might help boost a slow metabolism. They are high in vital fatty acids and help with digestion, growth and development, and other metabolic functions. 5. Walnuts are beneficial for diabetes. Consuming walnuts can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. They offer a great supply of protein, good fat, and fiber. Diabetics can consume them without concern because they do not increase weight. High blood sugar levels are the most common issue with diabetes. Walnuts help to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. 6. Walnuts are beneficial for the bones. Walnuts have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a contributing factor in many illnesses, including diabetes, rheumatism, arthritis, and others. Daily walnut consumption improves defense against certain illnesses. Some experts argue that the calories in walnuts induce weight gain, but the majority of them claim that as long as they are not consumed excessively, the calories in walnuts contribute to bone building. 7. Walnuts help you sleep better. Melatonin is produced with the help of walnuts. It is a hormone that helps promote sleep. As an after-dinner snack, eat and sleep like a baby. Walnut, which acts as an antidepressant in the battle against stress, is also a treatment for sleep disorders. The tryptophan in walnuts might help you sleep better at night. 8. Walnuts promote fertilization and male reproductive health. Walnuts help in sperm production and sperm quality improvement. They boost their stamina and movement. According to the study, males who ate 4 to 6 walnuts daily as part of a Western-style diet had a substantial boost in orgasmic function and sexual desire. According to research, one of the numerous health advantages of walnuts is that they can help with sperm health and male fertility. 9. Walnuts are good for your skin and hair. Walnut, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids and copper, offers several skin advantages. Consuming 2 to 3 walnuts every day improves skin suppleness and keeps skin cells alive. The biggest harm to the body is done by free radicals in the environment. They are to blame for the skin's dryness and wrinkles. Walnuts help in the fight against free radicals. Walnuts can assist in lightening the under-eye circles when consumed regularly. 10. Walnuts promoting a healthy digestive system. Consuming walnuts can improve the gut microbiota, or the population of beneficial microorganisms that exist in our intestines, by increasing strains of helpful probiotic bacteria. It's possible that walnuts' bioactive substances have a significant influence on how the gastrointestinal environment affects the course of illness. Are walnuts safe for everyone? With their essential vitamins and minerals, walnuts may appear to be a superfood, but you should avoid them in the following situations. Walnuts are one of the top 8 allergenic foods. People who are allergic to tree nuts should completely avoid walnuts. Walnut allergies generally cause severe symptoms, including allergic shock, anaphylaxis, which can be deadly if not treated. Nutrients in one serving. Walnuts contain around 15% protein and 65% fat. 1 ounce, 30 grams, of walnuts includes many types of essential elements for good health, including the highest alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, of any tree nut, 2.5 grams. 4 grams of protein. 2 grams of fiber. An excellent source of magnesium, 45 grams. Sodium, 0.60 milligrams. Potassium, 132 milligrams. Calories, 196. Carbs, 4.2 grams. Sugar, 0.8 grams. Fat, 19.5 grams. Walnuts are easy to incorporate into the diet and are high in nutritional value. Because they contain a lot of polyunsaturated fat, vitamins, and minerals like potassium, iron, zinc, and magnesium, they are better than the majority of other nuts, including almonds. Walnuts are superior to all other dry fruits in every way because they are high in fiber and antioxidants. Use them on desserts, use them in salads, or eat them on their own as a snack. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.